It is no longer news that Nigerian pastors are among the people that owns most exotic cars in the country right now. As a car guy and a church boy, I am really obsessed with men of God with impressive car garage. Reverend Biodun Fatoyinbo, on the other hand, is the senior pastor of the Commonwealth Zion Assembly and has an eloquent taste for sweet exotics and luxurious rides. Today, I am excited, and if you are too, do click the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to get alerts of new videos. Without further ado, let's go through the insane car collection of Biodun Fatoyinbo. QB's garage boasts of a metallic blue 911 Tiger 4S, which is some serious German machine, equipped with a inline flat 6, pumping out 400 German horses. The $120,000 sports car is still one of the true modern performance cars, with a 6-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive system. Also standard is traction and stability control, adaptive cruise control, a luxurious cabin, and a host of other safety and luxurious features. The 911 definitely stands out in the clergyman's garage, but it's definitely not the best in the fleet. Wait till you hear the next one. Opulence is a byword for the Mulsanne. The inside of a Bentley Mulsanne is a very special place to be. A Bentley Mulsanne is one of the stands-up luxury cars in the pastor's garage. Everything about the Mulsanne conveys a sense of wealth in its distinctly British execution, from the imposing and stately exterior to its impeccable interior. Powering the Bentley Mulsanne is a 6.7-liter V8 that produces 505 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent to the rear wheels through an 8-speed automatic transmission. Every surface is covered in the best materials available, whether it's flawless leather, rich wood trim, or polished stainless steel and diamond accents. The Mulsanne is one of the ultimate and opulent luxury car money can buy. But who owns a Bentley and not owns a Rolls Royce too? It's definitely not this man of God. The Phantom 8 is undoubtedly one of the finest, most luxurious sedan ever produced. Pastor Fatoyinbo's garage boasts of an English white Phantom 8, which is usually used to chauffeur guest speakers, artists, and even the clergyman himself. The $400,000 luxury saloon is the pinnacle of the Rolls-Royce brand in its truest sense. Under the hood, the Phantom is powered by a 563 horsepower, 6.7-liter twin turbocharged V12 engine, paired with an 8-speed satellite-aided ZF automatic transmission. Open the coach doors and you will discover the zenith of automotive luxury. Soft leather, rich wood veneers, and shiny metal accents are all present in the Phantom. And the clergyman's Rolls Royce game didn't end with the Phantom. He also owned a diamond black 4-door Rolls Royce Ghost. The Ghost is Rolls Royce's smallest and least expensive sedan, with a over $250,000 starting price and a 563 horsepower twin turbo V12 under the hood, which is exceptionally smooth and silent. The 8-speed automatic transmission is spot on as well. Just as the Phantom, exotic wood veneers and metallic accents are used liberally throughout the cabin, where the seats are corseted in the finest leathers. The Ghost is definitely one of the finest automobiles in the clergyman's garage. But wait, the Range Rover game in COZA is second to none in Nigeria. These are usually escort vehicles and doesn't usually play the main role in chauffeuring the clergyman. But if the COZA protocol and security teams are not in GLEs, then they are in Range Rovers, which kind of make the Range Rover look cheap. But the Autobiography is one of the ultimate luxury SUV money can buy. It boasts of a roomy and high-end interior, excellent handling, and a brawny engine performance. This $200,000 SUV is incredibly luxurious and represent the most authentic Range Rover experience. The Range Rover has an undeniable presence and can make the driver feel special from behind the wheels, most especially in the rear seats. The Range Rover has everything it takes to win a place in your garage. If you can afford it, then it doesn't get better than this. The Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series also play a major role in the clergyman's garage, with a price tag of almost $90,000. It is Toyota's big, expensive flagship SUV. It has room for up to 8 people in 3 rows of seats and comes standard with 4-wheel drive and a V8 engine and a load of room and standard luxury techs and features. The Cruiser boasts of 4-zone automatic climate control, leather seats, power adjustable heated and cooled front seats, a mini fridge in the center console, keyless ignition, and a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system mated to a 14-speaker JBL audio system. A rear seat entertainment system with 2 11-inch screens with a DVD player is also available. The Land Cruiser could definitely be tagged the least luxurious of the fleet, but the 200 series Land Cruiser is an amazing chauffeur's car. This is definitely one of the cars you will want to be driven in. And finally, all work and no play the same make Jack dull. The Can-Am Spyder is a 3-wheeled motorcycle in the clergyman's garage. Who knew the clergyman was a trike fan? Now, the Can-Am Spyder has a single rear drive wheel and 2 wheels in front for steering. Features on the Spyder includes traction and stability control, anti-lock brakes, reverse gear, power steering, and an optional electric shift. The $20,000 worth motorcycle is an expensive 3-wheeler and not something you just see on the Nigerian road. But when you get the dough, everything is definitely at your reach. So there you go. The clergyman definitely owns more rides than we can account for, with so many on display on his social media handles. But these are the exclusive and definitely the most expensive on the fleet. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Ciao.